Let's see how this Hailstorm goes. Okay, we'll start off in the low speed. Okay, should have proportional turning, which it does. Okay, that's the low speed. Put it into the high speed here. And what a difference. Okay, we're not getting too much grip on the tires on the surface, but still good, still nice. Radio controller moves well, feels good. We go for a run down there. Through water. Okay, waterproof works well. It really goes fast in the high speed here. Wow, that's a full speed turn. Take it on the grass here. Just reverse. Reverse works well. Goes nicely over grass too. Get in the mud there. Really goes fast. Good range. Nice little leap there. So it's got quite good balance. Always good to test in a figure of 8.